Do 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 do. We're cooking shark today for Shark Week. Did you know that you could buy shark steaks at the grocery store? I didn't either, but we did. Look at this. This is black tip shark fillets. So the first thing we're gonna do is open the package of the shark fillet, and we have to pat it dry because it is full of nasty shark wetness that we don't want in our marinade. Ta-da. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this in half because there are two of us. Oh yeah, this is some meaty shark right here. This shark smells mega fishy, so we need to put this in some marinade that's not gonna make it taste mega fishy. The marinade I'm going to use today is going to be extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of sesame oil, some coconut aminos, which is a substitute for soy sauce, and some fresh ginger. So now that we have our marinade in the bag, you might ask, Christine, what are the proportions of things you put in there? I don't know. I've never made this before. So these have been marinating for 4 hours in the refrigerator. They definitely don't smell fishy anymore. We are gonna put these bad boys on the grill. Oh no, no! All right, the internet says 15 minutes, so we're gonna believe the internet, I guess. I don't want it to stick to the grates, so that's why I have this. All right, we are gonna do a little flip. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Flip. Looks like it got a little charred on this side. And then we're gonna finish them directly on the grates. All right, they're starting to flake. It has been 15 minutes. Still stuck anyway. All right, and here it is. A shark steak and potato and asparagus. All right, let's see what this is like. It is a very firm white fish. Let's see. Kind of tastes like mahi-mahi. Pretty good. I would recommend.